Good evening, folks. Today is 18th November 2021 and it is Il Poya Day, full moon Poya Day of November, and it's a holiday in Sri Lanka. Sun has gone down and it is a quiet evening here in Colombo. We thought of having a quick drive through in Colombo. Today is a bit of a rainy day and the roads are a little slippery and time to time it is rain. But nevertheless, we're going to do our journey. We're starting our journey from Colombo 6, Vallavatta, and driving along the Gold Road.
This land is your land, this land is my land. From Sangam Kanda to the Kachatil Island, from the Point Pedro to the Delta Road. Hey, this land was made for you and me. I roamed and rumbled and I followed my footsteps to the sparkling sands of her golden beaches, while all around me a voice was sounding, saying this land was made for you and me. This land is your land, this land is my land. From Sangam Kanda to the Kachatil Islands, from the far in
Now we are passing the Majestic City, Unity Plaza and KFC.
The sun came shining and I was strolling, and the rice field waving and the rain clouds rolling. As the sun was drifting, a voice was chanting, this land was
Just
made
past the
for
American
you and
Embassy in Colombo,
me. This land is yours,
and on your right hand side the temple trees, that is the official residence of Prime Minister. Now the American Center and the Indian Embassy, followed by the Golf Face Hotel, the famous colonial building.
This land is your land, this land is my land. From Sangam Kanda to the Kachatil Islands, from the Pedro to the Delta Road. Hey, this land was made for you.
Now we are on Golf Face Drive and passing the One shopping mall, that is the newest addition to Colombo City.
I saw below me that golden beaches. This land was made for you and me. This land is your land, this land is my land. From Sangam Kanda to the Kachatil Island, from the Point Pedro to the Delta Road. Hey, this land was made for you and me.
Now we have reached the Kingsbury Hotel.
And I followed my footsteps to the sparkling sands of her golden beaches, while all around me a voice was sounding, saying this land
And the Galadari Hotel, which is in the vicinity of the President's Secretariat in Colombo.
to the Kachatil Islands, from the far
That is the old Parliament building.
to the Delta Road. Hey, this land was made for you and me. The sun came shining and I was strolling, and the rice field waving.
Now we are on Chatham Street,
And the rain clouds rolling.
driving through the
The sun was
colonial buildings
a voice
and
was chanting,
into the York Street.
this land was made for you and
This is Grand Oriental Hotel,
this land
GOH, in front of Colombo Port,
this land is my
another colonial hotel in Sri Lanka.
land. to the Cockatoo Island, from the Point Pedro to the Deodora. Hey, this land was made for you and me.
Now we are in front of St. Anthony's Shrine, Kochikade, Colombo, a miraculous church. This church was attacked by Muslim extremists in 2090 Easter Sunday, and the church has been restored.
As I went walking that ribbon of highway, I saw above me that endless skyway.
Colombo Hilton Hotel, and you can see the twin towers in the background.
This land was made for you and me. This land is your land, this land is my land. From Sangam Kanda to the Cockatoo Island, from the Point Pedro to the Delta Road. Hey,
and the Bank of Ceylon Towers.
And I followed my footsteps.
Fairway Colombo in the far distance, and the Stuart Hotel.
This land is your land, this land is my land. From Sangam Kanda to the Cockatoo Island.
Now we have arrived at Colombo Town Hall, the Municipal Council grounds.
This land was made for you and me. The sun came shining and I was strolling, and the rice field waving and the rain clouds rolling. As the sun was drifting, a voice was chanting, this land was made for you and me. This land is your land, this land is my land. From Sangam Kanda to the Cockatoo.
Now we are driving through Independent Road towards the Independent Memorial Monument in Colombo 7.
This land is your land, this land is my land. From Sangam Kanda to the Cockatoo Islands, from the Point Pedro to the Delta Road. Hey, this land was made for you and me. As I went walking.
Now we are at BMICH, Bandaranaike Memorial International Conference Hall, the largest conference venue in Sri Lanka.
This land was made for you and me. This land is your land, this land is my land. From Sangam Kanda.
The Zaukana Buddha statue has been constructed in 1976 to commemorate the non-aligned summit which was held in Colombo. Now we are at Independence Square shopping mall, the beautiful water fountains.
This land was made for you and me. This land is your land, this land is my land.
This is the Gangarame Temple complex,
To the Cockatoo Island.
and you will see another new addition to Colombo, Colombo City Center shopping mall in the distance.
The sun came shining.
Thank you folks, we have come to the end of our journey. Now we are driving to the duplication road towards Mount Rainier. Okay, good night.
This land was made for you and me. This land is your land. This land is
Come to an emotionally charged lounge to experience. We are Sri Lanka, wondrous tourist paradise in Asia.